you about the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees, the moon up above, and a thing called love. Let me tell you about the stars in the sky, a girl and a guy, the way they can kiss on a night like this. When I look into your big brown eyes, it's very plain to see that it's time you learned about the facts of life, starting from A to Z. Let me tell you about the birds and the bees, the flowers and the trees, the moon up above, and a thing called love. When I look into your big brown eyes, it is very plain to see that it's time you learned about the facts of life, starting from A. Let me tell you about the birds and the bees, the flowers and the trees, the moon up above, and a thing called love. Let me tell you about the birds and the bees, the flowers and the trees, the stars in the sky, a girl and a guy, the birds and the bees, the flowers and the trees, and a thing called love. The birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees. Woo, he's all through. This kid's got a valuable voice. When it was raining and flooding, NBC placed sandbags around his tonsils. Oh, yes. Hey, you're a good audience. After the show, I'm going to leave. No. Hey, you're a good audience. And after the show, we're going to take you all down to a bakery in Hollywood and let you watch the Hollywood Vice Squad. Squad, that's right. Yeah, we're going to take you to the bakery, and we're going to let you watch the Hollywood Vice Squad arresting imported tarts.